ngeke ngikhona ukuphila phandle kwakho. Asithi ngcwele Moses and Aaron, way among the priests, and Samuel was among those and proclaimed his name. Oh yeah, I say Moses and Aaron, way among his priests, oh yeah, and Samuel was among those who proclaimed his name. A sitting while I was saying, Ngwele, 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 Ngwele. Say holy, 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 you are my God. Ayage komunyuti engikhothama mapambi kwakhe ngaphandle kwakho. We call him, I say Yahweh, I say Yahweh, 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 Yahweh. Ngwele, join me, say Ngwele, 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 Kosia, Asingwele, holy, holy, I say holy, holy, holy. I say you are my God. I say Yahweh, I say Yahweh, oh, yes. Yahweh, my God, This is Zakele MJK featuring Majinzo, Jeanette, Mbaweni, and male vocalist saying Ngwele, holy. This is a promo. We are going to record the real one coming out. We are still recording right now. The release is coming out. Ngwele, holy. My God. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I say yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, ooh, yeah. My my God.